Hi, my name's Casey, and this is my bike check. I'm gonna go from the back to the front. Okay, so I'm riding right now Eastern Fuquay Flyer tire, back tire. My back rim is Alienation Delinquent. It's really cheap, pretty good. My spokes are Shadow. My back hub is Shadow Raptor. My chain is a Shadow interlocking V2 chain. My sprocket is the Shadow Scream. Pretty nice, really thick. Works really good. My cranks are Premium 1948. They're really good. My pedals are Premium Slim. They're okay, but I'm gonna get some Odyssey soon. My seat post is an Animal. My seat is the Shadow Penumbra. I don't even really know how to say it, but it's a really nice seat. A lot of people have been wanting to trade me lately. My frame is the Sunday Second Wave. I love it. It's like really good, really great for spinning and everything. I'm gonna get the Sunday Funday too though for my birthday. My bars are Premium Whiskeys. They're awesome. My grips are ODI long necks. Yeah. My stem is the Shadow Strike FL. My headset is just a random headset that I've had ever since I got it. I think it's called Cane Creek because it says it on there. But I just ordered a new one, so yeah. My forks are Fit Shivs. They really do work good. I love them. My front wheel. It's my front wheel is the Premium Refuge Resist folding. It's able to hold 100 psi instead of the 65 one. It's really good. My front rim is the Alienation Deviant. It's probably my favorite, my most favorite front rim out there. My spokes are Shadow, and my front hub is Shadow Raptor. And last but not least are my pegs, which are Shadow Little Ones. And this has been my bike check. Thanks for watching.